Here we're going to look at multiplying two binomials together. Now remember, binomials have just two terms each, so binomials only have two terms. Now if I have two binomials that I want to multiply together, I can use this pattern called FOIL, where the F stands for multiplying the first terms together, the O stands for multiplying the outside or outer terms together, the I in FOIL stands for multiplying the inside terms together, and then the L in FOIL stands for multiplying the last terms together. So looking at the example I have down below here, if I use this pattern called FOIL to multiply 3a plus 4 times a minus 2, my first terms that I would be multiplying together would be a 3a times an a, because they're first in each of the two binomials. My outside terms that I would be multiplying together would be the 3a and the negative 2, since they are on the outside or outer parts of each of the binomials. My inside terms are the terms 4 and the a term. They're on the inside of the binomials. And then the last terms I would multiply would be the 4 times the negative 2. Now if I multiply these all together, 3a times a gives me 3a squared. 3a times negative 2 gives me a negative 6a. 4 times a is a 4a. And 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Now when I rewrite this, I obviously don't want to just leave it in this form. I want to go through, put it in standard form, and see if I have any like terms. Now standard form, the variables, remember the exponents have to go from biggest to smallest or no exponent. So I have, first would be my 3a squared. Now my outer and inner terms, my negative 6a and 4a are like terms, so if I add those terms together, negative 6a plus 4a leaves me with a negative 2a. And then finally, my last term would be the negative 8. So using FOIL, I get a product of 3a squared minus 2a minus 8.